In this video, we are diving into unique websites that allow Nigerians to earn money without needing any prior experience. Today's video will be for Nigerian people, but these websites also work for everyone else, so stick around till the end and try them out. First of all, welcome to this channel. I make videos on how you can make money online as an African and worldwide. Lately, I've been trying to focus on specific countries on the continent. My first video was on how Kenyans can make money online. You can also go ahead and watch that video. And if you are new here, welcome to this channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and like this video. Also, don't forget to comment down below which country you are watching this video from. Now let's get back to the websites. The first way on how Nigerians can make money online is by selling photos. There is a website where you can earn anywhere between $20 to $100 or even more just by selling photos. And this method will be perfect for anyone who is passionate about photography or just has a better camera for taking photos. The name of the website is called IM. On this website, you can turn your everyday snapshots into cash. It can be your selfies, food pics, or just the scenery around you. All you need to make sure is that the photo is of high quality so that you can attract buyers. If you live in impoverished neighborhood, don't feel ashamed and take a photo to show the realness and rawness of your society. So on IM, you'll get rewarded for your creativity. You will always keep control of your copyright and be able to choose which image you submit for selling. You will make money every time you sell, and one image can sell again and again to multiple clients. On the website's page, you can see the photo on the right was taken by a Nigerian, and that shows that anyone can sell on this website. The next way on how Nigerians can make money online is by using this website called Clear Voice. You might be familiar with platforms like Freelancer or Upwork where you pitch your services to clients, but Clear Voice is different. This website focuses on freelance writing. Unlike Upwork, where you are bidding against others for projects, Clear Voice keeps the bidding war by showcasing your portfolio, setting your rates, and getting matched with gigs that suit your style. Freelancers on Clear Voice can earn anywhere from $100 to $11,000 per gig, with some gigs wrapping up in just a day. So if you are passionate about writing content or just writing in general, this is the website for you. On top of it, the website will give you clients. You don't have to go around and find clients that will pay you for your service. Down here below, you can see the top industries that want content writing. There is advertising and marketing, business, education, finance, legal, travel, adventure, and more. All of these industries want you to write something for them, and this website will find you the clients. So how will you apply for the website? First, you need a customized Clear Voice handle. Second, you need a brief informative tagline. Third, you need a minimum of 6 work samples. Fourth, you need your categories or areas of expertise. Fifth, you need to have more than one role, for example, a writer and an editor or a strategist. You also need a concise bio outlining what sets you apart from the crowd. And then you need an example of your previous published content. So those are their rules. If you're someone who is passionate about content writing or has experience in just writing in general, this is the perfect website for you. The next way on how Nigerians can make money online is by a website named User Testing. This website will pay you money whenever you share your perspective on products and experiences from the comfort of your home. So this is how it works. First, you apply. Second, you answer screening questions to match with earning opportunities. Third, you share your perspective via tests that you match with. And lastly, you get rewarded for different types of tests. So they have 3 ways on how you can make money with this website. First, you are going to take surveys, which means simply answering set of questions without screen, audio, or video recording. Second, you can make money through recorded tests, which means you will complete tasks while speaking your thoughts aloud with screen, audio, and sometimes video recordings. tests are taken on mobile or desktop devices on your own time. And the third way you're going to make money is by chatting with a user testing customer via video call. And during that time, you'll share your thoughts about products or experiences that you had. They have some requirements. For example, the kind of device that you need is this. The minimum requirements for Windows will be operating system, Windows 7, 8 or 10, memory at least 1 GB and total RAM of at least 600 MB available RAM. And you can check out the rest of these devices. You will also need a microphone to take your practice test, but the built-in microphone in your phone or computer is good enough to use during recorded tests. But also using an external microphone is also okay with the website. The last way on how Nigerians can make money online is with a website called paidviewpoint.com. Paid Viewpoint is an app and a website that pays you for answering surveys. You can find the app in your Google Play Store or even Apple App Store. Unlike other survey platforms, Paid Viewpoint focuses on making the survey taking experience enjoyable and efficient. The surveys are usually short and interesting and tailored to your interests, which means you are less likely to encounter surveys you are not eligible for. But even then, you might expect not to get some surveys for a bit of time. You earn cash for every survey you complete, and the more you participate, the higher your score will be, which increases your earning potential. And those were the ways and the hows Nigerians could make money online. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bells on. Also, don't forget to mention the current country you are residing in so that I can make a curated video just for you. Until then, goodbye.